Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stack notebooks in Evernote in just a few simple steps. Open the Notebooks page by clicking Notebooks in the left sidebar. Click the More Actions three-dot menu next to the notebook you want to stack, in this example, Client Notebook. Select Add to Stack from the menu, then choose New Stack from the submenu that appears. A Create New Stack dialog opens. Type a name for your stack, in this example, Stack Sample, then click Create. Your new stack appears in the Notebooks list, and a confirmation message shows the stack was created successfully. To add another notebook to the stack, drag it over the stack name and drop it in. Here I'm adding First Notebook to Stack Sample. You can add as many notebooks as you need to a single stack. Just drag and drop them the same way. If you want to remove a notebook from a stack later, drag it out and drop it anywhere else in the Notebooks list. Stacks only group notebooks together. They don't move or change the notes inside. To rename a stack after you've created it, click the More Actions menu next to the stack name and select Rename Stack. And that's how to stack notebooks in Evernote. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.